What we're looking at here is a diagram of the OpenSign and Screener ecosystem. Screener sits in the cloud, and we have Android devices which have an altered Android operating system and a network of apps sitting on the device that create a dialogue between the device and Screener. The information that feeds Screener can be from any web source, and you can see here that we've got OpenSign, which is a web-based CMS, can feed information to Screener through an API. Any other system can also deliver web-based content through the API to Screener. So what it really means is we can deliver any web content to a stable and managed environment. So here we have an Android tablet, and this is shipped out of the factory with OpenSign running on it. This is a 10-inch Android tablet, but the Screener platform works on anything up to 65-inch. All you're required to do is turn the device on, register to a Wi-Fi network. It can also be delivered over 3G. And then we come to the registration screen. We'll call this demo for the sake of this demo and enter the password. Now, as soon as we hit register, Screener goes through the process of locking down the device, straight away setting up a dialogue between the device and Screener in the cloud. And you can see straight away, Screener in the cloud has told the device what information to play. So in this case, it's a simple one-page website. So now, if we go to the web address that actually controls the network, we can see the network that this screen now belongs to. And we can see that we've got one unit online, which is the unit that we've just called demo. We get all sorts of information about what the device is playing, the network it belongs to. We also get the manifest it's playing and a full event log of what's happened on the device. From within here, we can edit the device or a number of devices simultaneously, and we can change the manifest or the content that it's playing. Update the screen, and as soon as we hit update, what happens is the tablet downloads the information from the internet, and once it's got the full bundle of information on the device, it'll flip over to play this content. It's not just downloading the content, it's creating a local web server. So even though it's downloading web content, if it loses a web connection, it will still display the content as it was before. And this also includes store forwarding of information. So if someone enters information into a form and submits it, even if there's no web connection, it will send the information later. So you can see now, without touching the device, we've told it to play different content which has been delivered to the device remotely. There is no way of breaking into the device other than knowing a swipe motion to break in and a password. And even if you know those two pieces of information, we still control, even after logging in, what you've got access to. So this is where we control the platform from the operating system up, and it's very secure. So what we have here is stable web content being delivered to a cost-effective Android device that forms part of a digital signage network being delivered by Screener.